Meaning of flagpole.
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 Flagpole. A flagpole is a tall, vertical pole or mast that is used to display flags. It is typically made of metal or wood and is erected in public spaces, such as parks, government buildings, and schools, for ceremonial or decorative purposes. The top of the flagpole often features a pulley system that allows the flag to be raised and lowered easily. Flagpoles are commonly used to display the national flag or other symbolic flags that represent a country, organization, or cause. They are also sometimes used as landmarks or points of reference in navigation.